Downloading your account data from YouTube is a straightforward process that allows you to keep a record of your activity and preferences. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Go to the YouTube website and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your Google account credentials to access your YouTube account. Step 2. Access your Google account settings. Once signed in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account to open your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Data and Personalization. In the Google account settings, find and click on the Data and Personalization tab located on the left sidebar. This section contains options related to your data and privacy. Step 4. Download your data. Scroll down to the Download, Delete, or Make a Plan for your data section. Click on Download your data to start the process. You will be redirected to Google Takeout. Step 5. Select YouTube data and export. In Google Takeout, you will see a list of Google services. Deselect all services and then scroll down to find YouTube and YouTube Music. Select it, then click on Next Step. Choose your preferred file format and delivery method, then click Create Export to download your data. After completing these steps, you will receive a notification when your data is ready for download. Make sure to check your email for the link to access your exported data.